Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free items in TEMU without inviting anyone. So the first thing you have to do is go to this link called bit.ly/TEMU free. Now with this link, you'll be getting this free item called a rechargeable stainless steel coffee mug with automatic stirring and temperature display. You can see it used to be around $60 or less, and now you can get it for free or $0. Now to note that this is for new app users only and it only has with qualifying orders. If you don't see it here, don't worry because your free item could be something else entirely. Now, it depends on what kind of user you are. Sometimes my user can get stainless steel mugs, they could get a charging cable, they could get a arm warmer. I think I've seen one case where it was an arm warmer. You can see if I go to this link, it might change for me. Right now it's still in the muck, and right now I think it's still in the muck, but sometimes it can change and depends on what kind of app and what kind of user you are. So you can get this muck and you can also get something else entirely like a charging cable or other things. But you'll have to scan this QR code to download the app and then claim your free item and also a couple of coupons on the way. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.